Packing for Thailand. Jason is making a phone call to his cousin Amy.
Hello?
Hey, Amy, this is Jason.
Hi, Jason. What's up?
Well, you've been to Thailand, right?
Yeah, I went there last summer. Why?
I'll be visiting there for the first time next month, but I have no idea what I should pack.
You'll definitely need sunscreen. April is the hottest month in Thailand.
Oh, wow. I didn't know that. Do you think Bangkok will be too hot?
It might be. I suggest you plan your day according to the weather. Try to stay indoors during the hottest time of day and go sightseeing outdoors when the sun isn't as intense.
That's a good idea. What kind of clothing did you wear when you went?
I mostly wore items made of cotton. As long as what you wear is breathable, you should be comfortable.
I'm sure I can find some clothes in a shopping mall there if I need any more, right?
Yeah, of course. You'll be able to find everything you need there. Also, all the malls have air conditioning, so you can shop around to avoid the heat.
That's true. Is there anything else you recommend bringing?
Be sure to bring some medicine for motion sickness if you plan on taking any boats. I made the mistake of forgetting last time.
Okay, let me write everything down.